I'm never giving up.
Mean to you?
Well, $1 million would mean that I ain't got to go on the subway no more. My name is Mike Young. I'm from New York, and I'm a subway singer. That's my occupation. When I was a kid, my aunt ran the church, so we have to be out front. She said everybody else that stand in the back, they act like they sing. But if you're out front, you can't act. You got to sing. That's what made me love it. But as I got older, reality set in. I can't be a singer. You gotta go get a job. I didn't give up my dream. I just stopped thinking that dreams will come true. I got a job working for the Parks Department, cleaning the beach at Coney Island. An old friend of mine, he was playing in the subway. He said, go with me in the subway one day. 3 hours, you'll make $50. After the second day, I quit my job. I'm still singing, so I'm still living. When I sing in the subway, some people don't have money, they come and give you a hug. And some of the time, the hug is better than money. You know, that means I just made somebody's day good. Tonight is my shot to come out of the subway and sing for all America. Can't ask for too much more.
All right, Mike Young.
Hello. What's your name?
Mike Young.
And how old are you?
I'm 50-something.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I've been singing in the subway for roughly 30-something years.
37?
That's a good thing.
If you don't mind me asking this question, tell me what was the low point?
The low point is on a Monday or a Tuesday, you don't make that much. But people get paid on Thursday and Friday, and they make up for it.
Okay, it makes sense. Tell me why you decided to enter America's Got Talent.
Well, you know, success is what you make it, right? But there's no better stage, there's no better place to be than right here. You know?
That's a nice thing to say. Okay, well, good luck.
My love, my darling, I hunger for your touch a long, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still your love? I need your love. God, speed your love to me. Thank you. When I'm in the subway, I treat every day like I'm at Madison Square Garden. So now I'm on America's Got Talent, and that dream might come true.
Yes. So which song are you singing for us today?
I'm gonna sing A Change Is Gonna Come.
Love that song.
Good luck.
Thank you. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's up there beyond the skies. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. But now I see that I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh,
yes it will.
That kind of makes me nervous.
This is what I love about this show. There are no age limits, there are no rules. I applaud the fact that you have paid your dues. You have such a great heart, such a great talent. This has been amazing yet again. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you. There's so much life experience in your voice. This is your moment. Anything is possible. And I think that is really what you represent for me.
And you know, you said that your dream is to one day play at the Garden. You know, Madison Square Garden is, what, 20,000 people? You've just played to 15 million people.
Wow.
So your dreams are already coming true.
Wow.
And if you should be lucky enough to get 1 of 7 spots, that audience will just grow and grow and grow for you.
We really, really, really like both of you. The person who is going through to the live shows at the Dolby Theatre is Mike.
We're sinking in now.
It's sinking in? Okay,
Yeah.
so as it's sinking in, what are you feeling?
I'm going to the live shows.
Now, before the break, we saw Mike Young's story. Now he's about to live the dream, singing for your votes. America, you better make some noise for Mike Young!
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your chin? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe that's all part of the plan. Honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of a thousand stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. And I'm thinking out loud, baby, we found love right where we are. Honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of a thousand stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. And I'm thinking out loud, baby, we found love right where we are. Saying we found love right where we are. Saying we found love right where we are.
Mike's got everybody in this theater on their feet. Everybody is on their feet. Heidi, what do you think?
From the D train of New York City to the Dolby Theater here in Hollywood, Mike Young, for me, this was your best performance.
Thank you.
It really was.
Simon?
Happy for you.
I always think when we meet people like Mike, you know, why would people put an age limit on talent, because you can't, you know? And what you have, you can't fake it, Mike. It's there. You know, we got to know each other. You are one of the nicest people we've met on these shows. You deserve to be here. It was a great song choice. You performed it really well. Look, this is going to be one of these hard nights, okay, because the semi-finals start next week. But I think America are going to get you, and I really hope to see you in the semi-finals.
Me
you deserve
too.
it.
Thank you.
Howie?
As far as singing goes, you're the best tonight. I love you. I don't care about your age. The only thing about your age, when you sing Will You Still Love Me When You're 70, that's only 14 years for you. So it's not a long romance. But I'm in love with your music.
I love you, man.
I love you too, buddy.
Melvie?
Now, you know I've had a bit of a roller coaster ride with you and with what I've thought of your performances, because you have an incredible voice. What, Simon?
Okay.
Watch it. You have an incredible voice, but sometimes I don't feel like you feel it from here. But, you know, for me, it's getting better. But that is just my opinion. But hands down, your voice technically,
you know what,
is
Mel,
really,
you're out of
good.
order.
I am still talking, Simon!
You're out of order.
Woo. Okay, this is a hot mess, isn't it, those two? All right, well, good luck, Mike. Good luck. Mike needs your votes. He needs them. And you know the deal. You can vote up to 10 times for each act with each voting method. So get busy.
Okay, back to the live results. There are 5 places left in the semifinals. Let's find out who's taking the next spot. Chase Goring. And Mike Young. Please step forward. America has voted. The next act going into the semifinals is whoa. Both of you! You must have been so nervous, like, what is happening?
This is incredible. Mike is so talented and just, this is amazing. This is so incredible. Thank you, America.
Hey, that's my partner, y'all.
Peace.
Well, not peace out, but peace of love. Okay, Heidi, there are 2 very different singers. What advice do you have for them as they go into the semifinals?
Well, first of all, well-deserved, both of you guys. I love both of you guys. And we're very, very lucky, all of us, that we get to see both of you guys again. And I don't think you need any advice, because you got here by doing just what you do best, which is sing. I mean, I love it when you do a lot of that.
Yes.
I would love a little more of that, but that's just me. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to see both of you guys in the semifinals. Go enjoy.
I sung for 37 years in the subway. And I've thought about giving up, but you hear that little voice in the back of your head. Boy, I told you never give up. And look at me now. I'm 1 step away from the finals on America's Got Talent. This is my whole life. This means everything. This song is for my mom, Betty Young. This one's for you. Wow.
If I fall short and I don't make the grade, if your expectations aren't meeting me today, there's always tomorrow or tomorrow night. So hang in there, lady. Sooner or later, you know I'll make it right. Please, don't give up on me. Please, please, don't give up on me. I know it's late in the game. My true feelings haven't changed. Here in my heart, I know I was wrong, so wrong. I got to make amends for the love I never showed. So don't give up on me. All the words I say is true. I give you my everything, all of my love, all of my love, all of my love to you. So don't give up on me. Please, 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 don't give up on me.
Don't give up on Mike Young. He's begging and asking to not give up on him. Hello. Simon, he said don't give up on him. How you feeling?
I'm not going to give up on you, Mike. And let me tell you something, young man. Last week, I watched it back and I thought, you know, we've lost you. Something's got lost in the mix. And now you've come back as the person we first met and the person you are, and you don't compromise. And you was just raw, it was real, it was authentic, it meant something. I'm gonna remember this performance, Mike. And by the way, I really like you. I know you backstage, you're a great person, you deserve to be here, you deserve your shot in the final. And I couldn't be happier for you, Mike. That was brave, by the way. Respect.
Heidi?
We're definitely not giving up on you, especially when you sing like that. You're a very, very special man.
Thank you.
Mel?
Well, to be honest, I had given up on you a little bit because I haven't really understood what everybody understands about you. Hold on! But I have to say, if you just give me a second, by far tonight, I got it. This was your best performance ever. And now I understand you. You gave me that emotion, that rawness that I've been searching for. So thank you, Mr. Mike Young.
Howie?
You know, and now the show is over. And this has been an amazing night. That's an amazing closing. It isn't up to what we think. It's up to America. And I'll tell you, there has been more talent on this stage. I can't believe that you're going to have to what did they cut this down to? Just 5 people. You know what it is? I'm just woke. And I guess that rhymes with vote. If I'm woke, you gotta vote. What a night. I'm so blown away. I'm off, aren't I? Aren't I?
What they don't know is what happened after the show. Everybody see me in the subway, they said, man, you have to have a record deal. Why did you have a record deal? I started asking myself, why don't I have a record deal?
So we thought he would have a record deal by September, which was when he was supposed to leave America's Got Talent, and the show would be over. That never came. Didn't get a record deal after taking all those meetings, and they were politely saying he was too old.
That's what made me come up with the idea about the Kickstarter. To me, this is my way of getting my debut album out.
If you look at the Kickstarter, we detail every single little detail in terms of how the money will be used, what we're going to be using the money for. Every single dollar is going towards a specific thing for this album.
I'm at a point now where I haven't given up, and I'm asking for help.
You know, that can mean anything. Like, if you just take this Kickstarter video and post it, or tell people about Mike, that's all we ask for.
See, I'm a singer. I'm still, how you call it, chasing my dream. That's where we're at right now. With your help, we can make a dream come true. You don't put no age on talent. Mike Young says, never give up.